Maintaining consistency across your design components can be time-consuming. This guide will demonstrate how to achieve uniformity quickly and efficiently, all in under 2 minutes. With MockFlow, you can easily copy and paste styles across different design components, saving you time and effort. Customize a design component to your liking, then click Copy Style. Apply this style to other components by selecting them and using Paste Style. With just one click, you can instantly apply the same style across your design components, speeding up your design process. You can also use this method for text components. The copied style includes font size, style, and color. Similarly, you can use the same steps for progress bars and other components. Simply copy and paste to apply consistent styling across all components within seconds. This handy feature in MockFlow will save you valuable time and simplify your design process. Skip the hassle of styling each component individually. Choose the smarter approach with MockFlow. Sign up today to streamline your design process and create polished designs effortlessly.